everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seed, from the 10th to the 14th of January 2022 on Monday. Susheleni is forced to be a policeman and thwarts a game of musical bed in the Rampersad house. Zandile continues to manipulate Nkululeko and get him to agree to Mepo continuing to stay with Punyuga on Tuesday. When Nogzola discovers the baby needs a blood transfusion, she confesses to Ntombekaya that Nkululeko might be the father. More secret trouble the world of Imbewu on Wednesday. Shreya bites Vanya's head off when she learns Vanya took her clothes and wore her perfume. Shreya wants Vanya to leave, but Nirupa put her foot down. Vanya is going nowhere on Thursday. Zitulele tricks Nkululeko into an unplanned trip to the Inyanga. Zandile is frantic when she learns or when she hears that the Bengals are going to see Mpangele and is desperate to intervene on Friday. The doctor tells Nogzola that Zitulele cannot be the father. He needs blood from the real father to save the baby. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.